Hey there guys, this is Sahil Rastogi from Avishkar. Some of you may recognize me from my previous videos, but I'm pretty sure that not a lot of you know that I myself have been a participant in IRC. Just when it was newly launched. So I still remember that excitement, that thrill, of participating in a competition of that scale and competing against other teams, and being engaged with robotics, programming, and competitions like IRC. It put me on a path where I'm designing very cool products right now, like Avishkar Maker Board or the ER robotics kit, Avishkar ER series kit. And so all that aside, I know a lot of you guys are still are also missing that excitement, that thrill of competition. So I've got some really exciting news for you all. We have just launched Avishkar League. It's an online competition of for makers. It's the world's biggest robotics and coding competition, which is being held online. So it has three parts. The first one is virtual IRC League. The second part is hackathon, which is based all around MakerBoard, and the third part is Tweak League. And the interesting thing is, the best part about all of it is that you can participate in this competition just from the comfort of your home. All you need is an internet connection, a computer, and an Avishkar account. So the registrations are open, guys. Hurry up, do register. Till then, stay safe and take care.